Hi everyone, welcome and thank you for joining us at golfcartgarage.com. Today on GCG TV, we're getting you back to work faster with this awesome little box that looks like it knows the R2-3PO and surfs the internets. Bottom line, if you have a 24-volt machine, here's the charger you should order today. The new 24-volt Summit 2 from Lester Electrical is the most advanced, efficient charger for 24-volt forklifts, scissor lifts, floor scrubbers, and all kind of industrial machines from brands like JLG and Genie and too many more to name. It can be equipped with ring terminals that connect directly to your machine's batteries or with the common SB50 plug. If you have the very similar but much larger SB175 plug on your machine, it can be ordered with that as well. You should replace and upgrade your big, boxy, heavy charger that you've been using for your 24-volt machine with this fully sealed, fully automatic charger that's waterproof, drop-proof, and installs fast. It can be kept right on board your machine or used as a stationary shelf charger, and it has the perfect storage mode for maintenance or trickle charging during downtime or vacation. But don't leave it alone for too long. It's just as advanced as it looks, and I'm pretty sure that whenever I'm not paying attention, it's planning to take over the garage. Is it looking at me? Seriously though, it even has a Bluetooth application for your phone or tablet so that you can have full user control and check your charge percentage and remaining charge time right there on screen. It charges faster and with advanced energy efficiency and even has profiles for AGM and other battery types. It will never tell the boss how much you complain about work on Facebook, but fair warning, it may cheat at Scrabble and flirt with your coworkers a little. When you need to get your batteries charged and get your machine back to work fast, Summit 2 is absolutely the best way to go. It's the most advanced, versatile charger we've ever tested, and we would love to help you order one for your machine today. Golf Cart Garage works exclusively with Lester Electrical chargers like the Summit 2 charger right here, and we have busy distribution, so you'll always get the most recently manufactured inventory working with us, along with great service and support once you've received your order. Our friendly customer care specialists are here to help answer all of your questions and get a brand new Summit 2 on its way to your doorstep today. Check out the link to this charger in the video description below and visit us at golfcartgarage.com or give us a call, 1-800-401-2934, and let Summit 2 get your machine back to work fast. Make sure to subscribe below for more episodes. Thanks for watching GCG TV.